Good morning, students. Welcome back. Now we are going to start with the next lesson in our English Balbharati textbook, Unit 1, that is lesson number 8, Sounds in the Middle of the Word. Okay, we have already learned the phonics and we'll just go through the sounds of the letters and complete the words. Now you can do this exercise directly in your English textbook. Look here, page number 9. Can you see? This is the exercise which we are going to do. Page number 9 in your English textbook. You can open that and you can do the exercise here only in the English textbook. No need of writing in the notebook. कळलंय का सगळ्यांना? हाँ, ये सब चीज़ें डायरेक्टली आपके इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक में आप कर सकते हैं, नोटबुक में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक आप खोल के एक्सरसाइज यहाँ पे आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। ओके, विल स्टार्ट। रेडी? ओके, कम ऑन। द फर्स्ट वन इज राइट ए इन ईच मिडल स्क्वायर। So this is what you have in your book, the first picture. Okay, now if you write A over here, so you will get two words. Okay, now there is a space besides that square. टेक्स्ट बुक में यहाँ पे एक ये स्क्वायर है और इसके बाजू में दूसरा स्क्वायर है, उसके बीच में आपको स्पेस है। यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर के बाजू में दिस साइड यू हैव स्पेस। ठीक है, सो यू कैन राइट द names which two words you are getting, you can write over there. So one word is bag. Okay, bag, bag. So what are the sounds? Bag, bag. We have already done this, so I'm not putting in much of the time over here. Okay, we'll quickly go through this exercise. And the other word is cat. So besides the square, just besides the square, you can write this two words since we have added a over here, a. So bag and cat are the two words which you are getting. Okay, understood, no? Chalo. Next. The next square, just beside the earlier one, you have this type of square and there is a space. थोडीशी जागा आहे बाजूला. So you can write over there. Okay, the words which will be formed, you can write over there. Huh? Chalo. Now here again you have to put A in the middle. Let's put A and let's see what are the two words which are formed. One is jam. Okay, say with me again. Jam. And what is the next word? Fat. Fat. Very good. Chalo, now let's go to the next square. Now here, write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. Now what are these? Earlier we wrote A, now this is E, I, O, U. Means what? Yes, these are the vowels. You have to use the vowels in the proper boxes. Okay. So the next box is this one. And what will you write over here? Should you use E? Should you use I? Or should you use O? Or U? What should you write? There are four boxes which are given in your textbook and there are four letters. Each letter you will use only once. एकदाच वापरायचं. एक बार ही एक लेटर एक बॉक्स में आना चाहिए. ओके, चार बॉक्स दिया है, चार ऑप्शन है. So what will you write over here? Yes, I will write I. You can write E also. If you write E, then what will happen? You will get P and a pen and T and a 10. Okay, I will tell you afterwards why I did not use E and why I used only I. Okay, because what I told you, E, I, O and U, four letters are given and there are four boxes, right? So you can use both, either E or I. Both are right. Okay, but we are going to use I. Okay, let's see now which two words are formed. P in a pin and T in a tin. Okay, P in a pin and T in a tin. Understood? Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next box. Okay, this is F, N, B and N. So what will I use here? Can I use E? No. Can I use I? I have used. So I will not use I. O for on a fawn. No. A for on a fun. Yes. B on a bun. So I can use a. So I've written U and two words are for on a fun and b on a bun. Okay. Understood? Okay. Chalo. Let's move on to the next box. In the next line, the third box, you have this, and we have already used I and we have used U also. Now E and O are remaining. So this is B, this is Y. So what I will use? E and O. B E Y. Does it make any sense? No. So I will use O. So if I use O, this will become B or a boy, K or cow. Okay, so B or a boy, K or cow. Now these are the two words which are formed. You can write just besides the box. And the last one is this one. Now here I will use E. Okay, why? Because first in the first box I had used I. है ना, where I could have used E also. But here if I would have put I, then D in a din, it doesn't make any sense. P in a pin makes sense. Okay, D in a din is not a word. Okay, so I will not be able to use I over here. That is the reason I used I over there and E I am using here. So when I use E, we make two words which have a proper sense. So D in a den and per and a pen. Very easy, no? We have already completed everything in the senior KG classes. So all these things you know. It is just a revision. Why are we revising so much of sounds and phonics? Why? Because after this we are going to start with the lessons. Lessons means you will need to read a lot. Is it not? So you should be able to read properly. So if you know the sounds, then you will be able to read the words. You will be able to pronounce it properly. है ना? And when you pronounce the words properly, you will be able to read the sentences also. है ना? So it is very important for you to know the sounds of the letters and start reading the words. Okay. So reading is very important. You have to keep on reading and do the practice. Reading practice is a must. So what is the home assignment? You have to read the words and join each one to its starting sound. This is also in your textbook. Okay. So you can complete it in your textbook. The first one is done for you. Both are starting with V, was and van. Okay, v and v. So both are starting with the same sound. You have to match them. Okay, understood? So this is given in your English textbook. You just have to match it according to the sounds, starting sounds. Now here, like h, house, h. So you have to find a word which has the starting sound of h and match it. Okay. The next is this you can write in your notebook. Okay. complete the words using proper middle sound. So this is your hint. You have to write the proper letter over here to complete the word. Next, what is this? This is hen, huh? And this is a web. Spider, it makes a web, is it not? So that is the web. This is bat. It is a bird. It is called bat. Next, what is this girl doing? She's sitting. So the word is sit. Say it once more with me. Sit. This ह्याला काय म्हणतात? What is this? Clip म्हणतो ना आपण. Most of you call it clip. Okay, but actually it is called a peg. Say it with me again. Peg. Very good. Next. Okay, what are these? Green peas. This part, it is the way it is, inside, the peas are inside that part, and it is called as what, pod. Say it once more with me. Pod. Concentrate on the middle sound and write the proper letter over here. Next, what is this? Yes, this is a fish. Fish ka fin. Okay, this is called a fin. Say with me once more. Fin. Next, what are these girls doing? They are hugging each other. आपण मिठी मारतो त्याला काय म्हणतात? Hug. Okay, so hug. The word is hug. Next, how is this man? When it rains, you get drenched in the water, no? So how is this man? Is he dry or is he wet? Yes, he is wet. Say once more. Wet. Okay. And what is this? Yes, it is a jet. Not airplane. We'll call it a jet. Okay. Next. What is this person doing? Look. Yes, he is digging. So the word is dig. What is the word? Dig. And who are these? Yes, man. But more than one, they are called as men. Since they are more than one, they are called as men. Say once again, men. So use the proper letter. So that's all for today. See you again. Bye. Just write the words in your notebook. Baki, whatever is there in the textbook, you can use the textbook to complete your work. Okay? Chalo, bye. See you.